Hi, I'm Ross Stanley, the owner of Folsom Music Lessons, and today we are going to practice guitar for 5 minutes. 5 minutes straight, no stopping, okay? So first thing we want to do is make sure that we're tuned up. We check our tuning, and I know that maybe some people don't know how to tune. Just try to make your guitar strings sound like mine. This is E. This is A. D, G, B, and E. All right, that's how you tune up your strings. I got my strings all tuned up. Feeling good, I'm ready to rock. I'm gonna hold my guitar pick with my thumb and my first finger, okay? Kind of like I'm pinching something, kind of, okay? Keep my fingers out like this. Don't make a fist. We're not gonna punch the guitar. We're just gonna strum the guitar, okay? So let's go like this. Let's do downstrokes. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, string mute. See how I got those fingers out? I'm resting my pinky right there just to keep my hand on the guitar, so then this arm doesn't have to work as hard. I'm not going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm not doing that. I'm going like this, holding my finger down. I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. String mute. Let's take a closer look at the pick. See, I got my pick like this. I'm going to angle it in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. String mute. Okay, let's do all the strings like that. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. String mute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. String mute. You do the counting. Now we just played all the strings 8 times each. It's a good way to play some downstrokes and string mute the sound. Let's give Jaws a try with 3 different speeds, starting slow. Let's go faster. Go a little faster than that. This is as fast as we can. Okay, that's pretty hard. That's not as fast as we can go, but that's as fast as we need to go for the song. Okay, so let's try to play like this. Just pick that fast. Hold down the F or the first fret of the low E string. Okay, let's try it. Jaws, you can do it. Okay, I'm going to play some frets on the guitar. That is the same thing as saying I'm going to play some notes on the guitar. I'm going to play multiple notes. I'm going to play 5 notes, okay? So I'm going to go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that it? Let's try it on the big string. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, just to remember, I am using the lobster claw position. That's where I punch my thumb and first finger together like that, tight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See that? 1 finger right there. I'm gonna try on the small string. It might be a little easier. That is kind of easier. Try it on the middle strings like G or D. I'm going to try G first. No sweat. Let's do the D string. Man, my hand's feeling strong today. Okay, if your fingers tips start to bother you, just tap on them with your thumb like this. Shake out your hand a little bit just to, get some stretching going. Since we're feeling strong, let's try 2 strings. Look at that. I'm holding down 2 strings. I'm holding down the D and the G. Oh, that's weird. Okay, I'm going to take that off and just play the zeros, okay? D and G. String mute. That's hard. I can do it though. Take your hand out, tap on your thumb a little bit. There's Jaws, okay? That's pretty cool. It's hard to play because you have to go kind of fast with your pick. But at the same time, it's really easy to play. It's just one note going to another note. That's called a half step. And those notes are E to F. String mute, okay? 3 moves, 2 notes, 1 guitar move. E, F, string mute. E, F, string mute. Now increase the speed.